This is just a fairly short goodwill message. It is trite that government alone cannot solve the multitudes of challenges facing a given society. Advanced countries have succeeded largely because of the commitment and sacrifice of various stakeholders, corporate organizations, NGOs, and people of goodwill, mostly drawn from the organized private sector. This is why an event of this nature is a demonstration of the understanding of people behind this laudable project. The opportunity and partnership offered by both Faith Foundation and the Office of Senator Adetokunbo, Abiru, through the provision of this one-stop shop for over 1,000 micro, small, and medium enterprises in Lagos East Senatorial District to access much-needed business advisory, regulatory access, funding, linkage, and growth support services is sincerely appreciated. This is a service born, obviously, out of genuine love and care, seeking to empower you all to be more self-sufficient and become successful entrepreneurs. This MSME clinic marks a significant milestone in the national campaign to create wealth and eradicate poverty among our people at the grassroots. The launching is a testimony of both partners, but especially Senator Abiru, to make poverty eradication a reality of national life, particularly in the service sector, which has the capacity to facilitate and advance credit and soft loans to people engaged in small-scale enterprises. I'm therefore delighted to be here to witness this epoch-making event. According to the Nigerian National Bureau of Statistics, about 83 million Nigerians lived below the poverty line in 2020. Although the statistics for 2021 are yet to be released, it is estimated that over 90 million Nigerians presently live below the poverty line. This is an alarming statistic considering the total estimated population being approximately 200 million. For a country overflowing with abundant human and natural resources, this is definitely unacceptable. We must do everything possible to change the narrative rather than fold our arms in total resignation to fate, as the consequences of this situation are already staring us in the face. This is demonstrated in the high rate of youth unemployment, social restiveness, insecurity leading to rise in crime rates, rural-urban drift, with extreme pressure being put on infrastructure, among others. We must do all we can to reduce the widening gap between the rich and the poor. The private and public sectors must combine efforts to bridge this gap through unrelenting effort and laudable economic solutions, such as this one. So many social and economic interventions have been introduced over the years, but none as radical and realistic as advancing grants and credit to the people that need to translate entrepreneurship ideas to economic gains and creating the appropriate platform for them to unfold and thrive on their various forms of creativity. We've heard the distinguished senator announce a grant of about 100 million naira towards this initiative. This is highly commendable, and we pray it is emulated by as many as possible. His souvenirs that are up there are worth a lot more than gold, as knowledge is key in the business world. We therefore must continue to pray for the success of this initiative, and may Almighty Allah crown all the hard work and initiatives of our great and distinguished senator. It has been established that SMEs are the engine of economic growth, as development of the economy depends on how well the small-scale enterprises are managed, considering that they form a large segment of the nation's economy and business activities. This category often emerge as the largest employers of labor, next, of course, to the agricultural sector. Thus, this initiative will further boost economic advancement. This is a welcome development in Lagos State, the center of excellence and the commercial hub of the country. I am confident that this initiative has every chance of succeeding and will achieve its objectives based on the track record of our most distinguished Senator, Adetokunbo Abiru. For the beneficiaries, I urge you all to reciprocate this gesture of the distinguished senator by taking advantage of this lifetime opportunity and create financial autonomy and build enviable organizations. Please, I cannot leave this stage without appealing for you not to forget your constitutional obligation to timeously file your income tax returns and pay taxes to Lagos State government so that together we can contribute a quota to the development and advancement of Lagos State under the leadership of our indefatigable governor, Mr. Babajide Olushola Sanwo-Olu. I thank you all for listening, and I thank the distinguished senator for involving me in this initiative, very laudable one, and I'm very proud to be a member of his constituency. Ìgbéga ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó, àjùmọ̀ṣe gbogbo wa ni o.